In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vlookup formula in Microsoft Excel. Open Excel, and let's start with a quick overview so the rest makes sense. Vlookup is a function that searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns related information from a column to the right. You use it when you have a key, like a product ID or employee code, and you need to pull matching details such as a name, price, or status. It's ideal for referencing consistent, structured datasets. Go to the sheet and the cell where you want the result to appear. Click into that cell and begin by typing the equals sign, then the function name, so equals Vlookup. Vlookup has four parts, also called arguments: the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. First, choose the lookup value. This should be a unique identifier that exists in your data, like an exact product code stored in a cell. Select that cell, so Excel uses it as a reference rather than typing the value directly. Uniqueness matters, because if multiple rows share the same key, Vlookup will return the first match it finds, which might not be what you expect. Next, select the table array. This is the entire block of data where the function will search and return information. Important tip: the lookup value must be in the leftmost column of this selection. Highlight the full table, including the column with the key and the column that contains the answer you want. Then, lock that selection so it doesn't shift when you copy the formula. Press F4 once to add $signs, turning it into an absolute reference. This prevents accidental changes if you fill the formula down or across. Now define the column index number. This is the number of the column within the table array you want to return. Count from the left of your selected table. The first column is 1, the next is 2, and so on. For example, if you want the value from the third column in your selection, use 3. Finally, set the range lookup. Use false for an exact match, which is the safest and most common choice for IDs and codeds. Use true only if you need an approximate match and your first column is sorted ascending. Most lookups work best with false to avoid surprises. Close the parenthesis and press enter. If you see an error, check that your key exists in the first column, your table is correctly locked, and there are no extra spaces in the values. That's it, your Vlookup is ready and reusable across your rows.